Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here is one more video of HTML. So this is the part 3 of the HTML playlist, and in this video we are gonna cover the list topic. So let's move on. So basically there are two types of lists in HTML. First is the unordered list and second is the ordered list. So what is an unordered list? So basically an unordered list has no specific number, like it isn't numbered or it isn't in the Roman numbers or it is in the form of alphabets. It has just bullets or squares, and it starts with the UL tag. So whenever you are gonna code, so what you have to do is that first you have to type the UL tag, then you have to use the li tag for making these coffee tea milk. So how you will type is li and the item, and then you will close it like this. So next we have is the unordered list practical. So here I have written that create unordered list for any 3 items. So here I have taken TV, mobile and computer. So here as you can see I have taken the UL tag first, then I have used the li tag, and I have entered the object name, and then I have closed it. Li tag is also a container tag as it contains both the starting tag and the empty tag. So and next the same for mobile, the starting tag, closing tag and the object in the middle, and the li tag here also for computer. And then the UL tag is also a container tag as it also contains the ending tag. So now let's see what are ordered lists. So an unordered list is a list which are specified in a numerical or alphabetic or in Roman numbers. So here you can see an example of ordered list. So here is so for this ordered list with numbers, here the heading tag is used, and for this the p tag, and now this is the li tag. So now what you have is to create an ordered list for 3 items. So first ordered list tag, then the same li and the object in between, then for same for coffee, butter, and then we close the ordered list tag. So how you will get the result in this is like this. So first you will get the milk, the second is you will get is coffee, the third you will get is butter. Sorry for the bad handwriting, but it's really hard to write with the mouse, so please cooperate. Okay, so we have seen the ordered list and unordered list for HTML. Now let's see some practical in VS Code. Okay, so here I am in my computer and I have opened Visual Studio Code. Now let's quickly just start off by creating a new file, and I'll name it as vid3. One second. I'll name it as vid3 as it's the third video, vid3.htm or HTML. Okay, you can also type HTML or HTML. I'll just use HTML. Okay, now I'll start off by using the abbreviation. Okay, and now I'll just rename this title as list in HTML. Okay, so now I am here in the body tag, and what I will do is use the heading tag and type first I'll use the unordered list, then I'll show you the ordered list. Okay, so now what I will do is create the unordered list tag. So one second, I'll just put this page. Yes. Okay. So now what I will do is create a list item by using the li tag, and I'll rename it as the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And the second I will do is the viewers, and the third I'll use comments. So let's see if we can get any output here. I'll just open it with live server. Yeah, so as you can see here, unordered list is subscribers, viewers, comments. So basically, if you don't do any styling, it will give you the bullets. And for example, let me just this. So this is the style tag here. As you can see, UL style, and then the quotation mark, the list, and the subtraction sign, style, subtraction sign, type, and then the semicolon and the circle. So circle here means the bullets, and I'll show you a square as well. Okay, here we are done. Just this. Yes. Now let us save it and see what we have got. So as you can see here, I have got the squares instead of those circle bullets. So these were the two stylings which you can use in the unordered list. Now let's move on to the ordered list. Okay, so how to create a comment here. So actually what you mean by comment is that the code which we have written here will not be executed by the compiler, but it will be visible to us. So you can go to you can click the gear icon here and go to the keyboard shortcuts, and then type comment. So here you can see add line comment or remove line comment. So click on this and choose your desired shortcut for this. So here I have Ctrl+Shift+C. I won't change this here. Okay. And I have also done my custom here for removing the line comment as Ctrl+Shift+U. So now let's just go back to our file. Okay, and now I'll just comment it out by selecting it and doing Ctrl+Shift+C. So it gets commented out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll type h1 and ordered list in HTML, and next I will do is just start the tag OL, and now I'll take some items like, let's say, books, and I'll just copy this line down here and I'll just edit it, copies, and pencil box. Okay, so now I'll just save this and we'll check the output of this. So here you can see it has all changed, ordered list in HTML, books, copies, pencil box. So when you don't do the styling of you will say ordered list, so whenever you don't style it, it will give you in the form of numbers. So how to style it, let me tell you. So we'll just edit this OL tag and type OL start and type OL start 10. this, it gives you the help also whenever you type it. So for example, I'll choose the Roman numbers here. Now let's just save it and see the output. So as you can see here, both Copybase pencil box are here. If you don't want to start it with 10, you can type any number. Maybe you'll type 1. So if you type 1, it will come out like this. Even if you type 1000 and save it will give you like this. Okay, so I think you have understood the concepts for unordered list and ordered list. So that's all for this video. In the next video we'll cover how to make tables in HTML. That will be a very interesting topic, and if you focus in that topic it will be understood. Otherwise there will be some gaps in your concept. So that's all for this video. If you understood something new or consolidated your concepts, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.